Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Lake Boehm with the Hansen Auction Group. Just wanted to let you know that our June Pike construction sale is now open for bidding. Ring 1's going to be all of your heavy equipment, over-the-road trucks, passenger vehicles, yellow iron. Ring 2 is going to be new skid steer attachments and other service items. We've got a great lineup for a summer sale. The sale will close Monday, June 10th. There's 4 lots I'd like to highlight. The first one being a 2009 John Deere 672G road grader. Okay, this machine is very clean. It looks like it was well maintained. There are 11,600 hours on the unit, and we've just been driving it around the yard a little bit. Real nice machine. If you're in the market for a road grader, I would look at that one. We also have a 2002 CAT D4 GLP dozer. The odometer is just showing 3,800 hours on that machine. Very nice machine, tight, runs and drives. Please check it out. We have a 2015 Chevy Silverado 3500 HD with the LTZ trim package. It does have the Duramax diesel with the Allison transmission in it. What's better, it only has 76,532 miles. I was in the interior of that truck the other day, moving it around to catalog it. Very clean on the inside. You can tell it was taken care of. So if you're in the market for a big pickup truck, I would check it out. Then we have a 2016 Case TR340 track skid steer. This skid steer was gone through per the owner about 700 hours ago. He replaced the engine and put new tracks on the machine. Very smooth machine and just a great all-around size for a skid steer. It does come with a dirt bucket and a set of forks, so check that out as well. So to see all of our listings and to bid on these items, please visit HansenAuctionGroup.com. Open house is going to be June 6th and 7th. That's a Thursday and a Friday. We will also be open